about monitoring during labor? There is continuous and then there is intermittent. Continuous is what you most commonly see when you put the toco, which is something that reads the contractions, with the ultrasound. So they're usually round. That's why I'm doing this. And those will read the baby's heart rate. Get strapped on your belly and they just stay there for the whole entire labor. And it's pretty obnoxious when you want to move, especially if you're going for a natural birth. Because when the monitors can't pick up the baby's heart rate or the contractions anymore, you're going to have the nurse come in and start trying to fiddle around with them. And that is not what you need while you're laboring. Now, the other one I mentioned, intermittent auscultation. This is where every half an hour while you're in active labor, they listen to the baby's heart rate, maybe with a Doppler. However, there are a lot of hospitals that don't use that method. Instead, what they'll do is something called an NST. And that is not intermittent monitoring, when you put the monitors on for 20 minutes and take them off for 40. It is not intermittent monitoring or intermittent auscultation. If you want intermittent auscultation, I highly recommend you speak with your provider well ahead of time to understand what they are going to order, because this is what the nurses listen to. Are they going to order 20 minutes on, 40 minutes off? Or are they going to order proper intermittent auscultation? If you had intermittent auscultation in the hospital, let me know what your experience was in the comments.